Good morning, I'd like to show you something I made on a whim. Dried Mexican chili salsa. Put my tomatoes on a grill, like a hot fire. I used about 18 tomatoes and I made sure they cooked a bit charred on the outside. I used 2 medium-sized red onions. I grilled one of them over the fire. I got a crap load of coriander, 2 big bunches that you can buy from the store. I have a stick blender, it's really old and shit, so I had to cut it up really small so it'd be easy. After I did the tomatoes, I got some of my dried Mexican chilies that I got from the Mexican grocer. If it starts smoking, for the most part, those dried chilies are done toasting. Some of the chilies are a bit small, so it's kind of pain in the ass to like keep on the grill without falling down. So I saw Arnie Tex do this, but he kind of put it in a sort of strainer of sorts and toast it over the fire. It worked out quite well. This is a Guajillo chili, long banana shape. Oh yeah, also get rid of all the seeds in case it gets a bit too hot. You want more of the flavor, not, well, at least I was going for more of the flavor, less of the heat. This is a Poblano chili. I believe it's also called ancho chili as well. It's kind of like very thick skinned, slightly raisin textured, a very smoky smell. Those are chile de arbols. They're a bit spicy, and that's a dry habanero pepper. That is also very spicy. I took the seeds out of those two. Even without it, it's quite spicy. Then after, I decided to, soak them in water. It might be easier to chop up, blend a bit easier. All right, give it a mix. Pour some of the brown liquid into your salsa bowl. And then, depending on your blender's capabilities, chop it up small as you can, preferably. And also, please use gloves. Regrettably, I didn't. Now, grate some garlic. I used 4 cloves, I think. A few tablespoons of olive oil. A few fat pinches of salt. And I used 6 limes in total. Alright, blendy time. I made sure it just became a smooth paste. Ideally, you want the skins to also be just as tiny as everything else. Flavor a little bit bitter, which is actually quite good. It's a weird, unique flavor that you can only get from like these chilies. Please like and subscribe.